Today I'll show you how to pronounce what in Chinese and Amharic language. When we say what in Chinese language, shama, shama, shama. When we say what in Amharic language, ምን, ምን, ምን. When we say what do you want in Chinese language, 你要什么，你要什么. When we say what do you want in Amharic language, ምን ትፈልጋለህ፣ ምን ትፈልጋለህ፣ ምን ትፈልጋለህ. When we say I want to coffee in Chinese language, 我要咖啡，我要咖啡，我要咖啡. When we say I want to coffee in Amharic language, ቡና እፈልጋለሁ፣ ቡና እፈልጋለሁ. ቡና means coffee in Amharic. ቡና means coffee. So ቡና እፈልጋለሁ. Okay, this is all about today's lesson. Keep practice every day to improve your pronunciation, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.